I have many Japanese maples, and in the spring, whole branches or sections of the trees don't leaf out. These branches die and I have to remove them. My reading has said this might be a borer, but I see no real evidence of this. I know my pH is very high. Could this be a cause? I put elemental sulfur down around some of my evergreens, which helps. How do I keep the limbs of my Japanese maples from dying? This is Corey on Facebook. Good question. It's the one that we get quite often. So what are you thinking?
I'm thinking environmental conditions.
That's what I'm thinking.
It could be too much sun. Some Japanese maples like to be planted more in shade. It just depends on the variety. So if you're trying to grow one that likes shade and too much sun, it could be not getting enough water in the summer. It could be drought issues. If you have heavy wind, when the buds start to break, it dry the buds out.
Yeah.
There are different reasons why that might be happening.
It's just so many different causes. It could be too much mulch.
Yeah.
It could be planted too deep. But what I'm thinking is, let's go back to our weather pattern, especially last year to this year. Sunscald might be an issue. And if sunscald was an issue, then of course it's going to cause cracks in the trunk. Those cracks over time are going to get what? Start getting bigger. And once it gets bigger, it compromises the uptake of water and nutrients to the upper part or the upper canopy of that tree, which causes limbs to die.
Right.
Because they're not getting water and the nutrients they need. So that may be an issue as well. But at the end of the day, how about just pruning out those dead limbs?
Yeah.
We just start with that and just kind of see what happens, you think? Thanks for watching. If you liked it, subscribe. We have hundreds of family plot videos for you to view.